Hello everyone, this is Priyanka, your English trainer. Welcome to the Daily English Vocabulary, Dose 30. So these are our today's vocabulary words. In the end, I'll ask a question. Give me answer of that question in comment box. The first word that I have for you is emancipate. Friends, emancipate means process of being set free from legal restrictions. Its Hindi meaning is Swatantra Karna. Now look at its sentence. We live in more emancipated times. Synonym is liberate. Moving to our next word, impasse. Friends, impasse means a situation in which no progress is possible because of disagreement. Its Hindi meaning is Gati Rodh. Now look at its sentence. She had reached an impasse in her career. Its synonym is deadlock. Look at our next word, jubilant. It means feeling great happiness. Its Hindi meaning is prafulit ya fir khushi. Now look at its sentence. The fans were in jubilant mood after the victory. Victory means jeet. Its synonym is joyful. The next word is futile. Futile means incapable of producing any useful result. Its Hindi meaning is vyarth ya fir bekar. Now look at its sentence. Their efforts to revive him were futile. Friends, revive means फिर से जीवित करना. Its synonym is vain. Look at our next word, somber. It means dark or dull in color, or you can say tone. Its Hindi meaning is udas. Its sentence is the year ended on a somber note. Its synonym is gloomy. Look at our next word, imbroglio. Friends, in this G letter is silent. It means a confused or embarrassing situation. Its Hindi meaning is jhamela ya fir uljhan. Now its sentence, people have come out into the street to watch the imbroglio. Its synonym is broil. The next word is travail. Repeat after me, travail. It means painful. Its Hindi meaning is kasht ya fir peeda. Now look at its sentence. Mother knows the travail of giving birth to a child. Its synonym is agony. It's not agony, agony. Alright? The next word is vie. Friends, vie means compete with someone. Its Hindi meaning is pratyogita karna. Now look at its sentence. The boys will vie with each other to impress her. Its synonym is contest. The next word is woe. It means great sorrow or distress. Its Hindi meaning is kasht ya fir peeda. Now look at its sentence. Thanks for listening to my woes. Its synonym is misery. Many people call it misery, but it is misery. Last but not least is foe. Friends, foe means an enemy or opponent. Its Hindi meaning is shatru. Now look at its sentence. His work was praised by friends and foes. Its synonym is rival. Now it's time for the question of the day. So the question is, what is the synonym of vain? A. Somber, B. Futile, C. For, D. Travel. Give me answer of this question in comment box.